servant's heart. Here's my life, take every part. Give me, Lord, the servant's heart. Help me draw so close to you that your love come shining through. Give me, Lord, the servant's heart. Give me, Lord, the servant's heart. Make me a witness like you, dear Lord, showing the love of the cross, sharing your word till all have heard, serving whatever the cost. Give me, Lord, a servant's heart. Here's my life, take every part. Give me, Lord, a servant's heart. Help me draw so close to you that your love come shining through. Give me, Lord, the servant's heart. Give me, Lord, the servant's heart. God has not given us the spirit of fear, but has given us the strength to obey. With power and sound mind, with love the unfailing kind. Oh, be not ashamed of His way. No man that seeketh after things of this life is a soldier who passes the test. Be faithful, be working, be running, be serving, be searching His word for His best. May the Lord find us faithful. May His word be a banner held high. May the Lord find us faithful every day.